Hello everyone, I am Zahira binti Riza from Sekolah Agama Menengah Rawang. In this presentation, I will introduce HydraVeil, an innovative technology that transforms air into water while helping to reduce heat and protect our environment for future generations. Our Earth today. Today, our planet is facing serious environmental challenges. Global temperatures are rising, clean water is becoming more limited, and plastic pollution continues to increase. Cities are getting hotter due to the urban heat island effect, while floods, droughts, and other climate-related disasters are becoming more frequent. These problems are interconnected and require innovative and sustainable solutions. World data. According to Global Reports, 2025 was among the hottest years ever recorded. Around 2.2 billion people still lack safely managed drinking water. More than 400 million tons of plastic waste are produced every year. Cities can be 1 to 3 degrees Celsius hotter than nearby rural areas, and climate-related disasters continue to increase. These statistics show why sustainable innovations like HydraVeil are urgently needed. Problem statement. Many communities still struggle to access safe and reliable water. At the same time, extreme heat affects human health and daily comfort. The increasing use of bottled water creates more plastic waste. While human existing technologies are expensive and often solve only one problem at a time, therefore, we need a solution that can collect water, reduce heat, and support sustainability in one integrated system. What is HydraVeil? HydraVeil is a smart multi-layer surface designed to harvest moisture from the air and convert it into usable water. It also helps cool the surrounding environment, filter collected water, and monitor environmental conditions through sensors. HydraVeil is not just a building surface, it is a sustainable technology that combines water harvesting, passive cooling, and smart monitoring in one system. How does HydraVeil work? HydraVeil works through several layers. The first layer captures moisture from the air. The second layer increases the surface area to improve water collection. Next, the condensation layer turns moisture into water droplets. The water then passes through a filtration layer that removes dust and impurities. After that, the storage layer keeps the collected water, while smart sensors monitor humidity, temperature, and water levels. Finally, the cooling base reduces heat transfer and improves overall efficiency. What is the difference between basic tiles and HydraVeil? Ordinary tiles mainly provide protection from rain and sunlight. In contrast, HydraVeil can harvest water, reduce heat, filter impurities, store water, and provide real-time monitoring through sensors. This makes HydraVeil a multifunctional and sustainable alternative for future buildings and communities. Our prototype uses affordable and accessible materials. These include a hydrophilic mesh for moisture capture, a transparent protective layer, a mini solar panel, humidity and temperature sensors, and a small water storage tank. These materials make the system practical for educational and future community applications. HydraVeil strongly supports several sustainable development goals. It supports SDG 6 by improving access to clean water. It supports SDG 3 by reducing heat stress and promoting better health. It contributes to SDG 11 by creating more sustainable and resilient communities. It also supports SDG 12 by reducing dependence on single-use plastic bottles, and SDG 13 by helping communities adapt to climate change through passive cooling and sustainable water harvesting. HydraVeil also contributes to other SDGs. It supports clean energy through solar-powered monitoring, encourages innovation and sustainable infrastructure, helps reduce inequalities by offering a low-cost solution, promotes quality education as a STEM learning tool, and helps protect both land and marine ecosystems by reducing plastic pollution. To gain a professional perspective, we interviewed an engineer about the practicality, challenges, and future potential of HydraVeil. First, as an engineer, how do you see the problems of water shortages and rising temperatures in cities today?
With the current condition of city that having a many concrete building that absorb heat, I think with current water management is not very well managed. Aside from that, it is not easy to get a clean water with current condition. So I think it is very appropriate to have a new concept or new technology that can be utilized to convert all the necessary environment that can produce clean water.
Second, is the concept of collecting water vapor from the air like HydraVeil something practical?
Yes, I believe that with the current HydraVeil concept is very practical to be utilized in Malaysia because we do have a very high humidity and can manipulate the environment to be used in this concept.
Third question, what is the appropriate material to use to capture moisture from the air?
The most important material, based on my understanding, is a very good and high water retention. And aside from that, the most important is the surface area of that material that can be utilized and convert into a suitable water to be used.
And lastly, in your opinion, does HydraVeil have potential for the future?
Yes, I think it is have a very good future because I think with the current technology, we can mass produce and can be expand to other region as well. So I believe with this current concept will be good for our utilization internally and it is sustainable for our future growth as well.
Thank you for your cooperation in my interview today. In conclusion, HydraVeil is more than a technology. It is a sustainable vision that transforms air into water, reduces heat, lowers plastic dependence, and supports smarter communities. By combining innovation, environmental responsibility, and practical engineering, HydraVeil offers a meaningful step toward a cooler, cleaner, and more sustainable future. That's all from me. Thank you.